Hi everyone, I'm Ulysses Ortiz. I'm the Director of Quality Control here for Soleus Lighting Group. This is our assembly and testing line for EnergyLite. Today we're going to talk about all the necessary steps that have to take place before an EnergyLite product ships out. So in here we have driver installation, we have labeling, we have serialization, we also have functional testing and dolly testing for all products to ensure they go out as they should. After these 4 steps are completed, all our lights get moved into our burn-in room. Our burn-in room allows us to burn them in for 24 hours, as most electronics fail within the first 24 hours of operation. This ensures that all our LEDs are fully functional. It also ensures that our power supplies are fully functional throughout the whole process. Our burn-in room has a capacity to burn in 795 lights per day. So we have the ability to process large orders on the regular basis. So that was a quick walkthrough of how our products get moved through our EnergyLite line. See you next time on our next Soleus blog.